So this is the 2025 Golf R. This review is going to be a little bit different because I actually bought the car and I'm not just living with it for a week or a couple days. And so yeah, this is the 2025 Golf R Euro package. Mainly got it because it had no fake vents like these cars here. I don't know what the heck they were thinking. SQ5 and the Supra, come on. Golf R has a titanium catback exhaust. You can't get any better than that. It's titanium. So now you're thinking, wow, the Volkswagen R is the perfect car. But no, we didn't even get the Euro taillights that the 2025 Golf R got in Europe. And yeah, I'm just not sure why Volkswagen keeps doing this to us as an enthusiast. It's so frustrating. They give us one thing, they take away another, and it's always been like that since the Mark IV. Speaking of Mark IV, as a former R32 owner, this car comes nowhere close to being as fun and as raw as the Mark IV R32, which is the greatest Volkswagen of all time. And yeah, this engine bay is just sad. You know, it's a stick prop rod for a $53,000 car. And the engine cover doesn't even have Volkswagen on it or an R logo. That's just crazy. That's a lot of cost-cutting Volkswagen. Rear seats, they're perfect if you have two young kids. If I had a teenager, I don't imagine they would love to sit in the back. As you can see, they're already kicking the seats and they're only tiny little babies. So definitely would not recommend even adults back there. That's how I sit. It's not even that far back, you know what I mean? Because I'm short. And the trunk, yeah, could have been a little bit bigger since Volkswagen did make the car bigger. So it really depends on what you're putting back there. For me, one stroller is good enough. I can carry one of the kids, if anything. Yeah, the two front seats, they're suede and cloth. Super comfortable, keeps you in place. It does get difficult coming in and out if you're trying not to hit the bolsters to keep them in good condition. And also, the suede material is pretty durable. I did spray it with fabric from CarPro to protect it. And the most controversial part of the 2025 Golf R is the haptic feedback buttons on the steering wheel. It's really not that bad. Honestly, all these reviews of them saying their hand hits it and makes it do certain things, it makes no sense because my hand never even goes over the buttons. And I've driven this thing a lot now, over 1,000 miles of like back roads, highway, etc. And look, you can't even, I don't know how the heck they're doing it. So that was one of the reasons why I didn't buy a Mark 8 and waited for the 8.5. But honestly, if I knew it wasn't that bad, I probably would have gotten the Mark 8. The next thing about the interior is how big the screen is. Honestly, I liked how the Mark 8 dash looked. It was more integrated, but this is just an iPad stuck on like an afterthought. I get they're trying to cost cut, you know, use the same screen for all of their cars, but yeah, it just doesn't work with this. I guess I got used to it after a while, but there's so many features in here too that it's pretty overwhelming. So if you want a video on all the features here, just let me know. I'll probably take a week off from work and look at all the features because there's so many. Overall, the 2025 Golf R has been pretty whelming as a daily driver. It's not overwhelming, it's not underwhelming, it's just whelming. but as a daily, at the price point that it is, I think it's pretty justified just because the car can do it all. It can be a daily driver, you can track it if you wanted to, mod it if you wanted to, or keep it stock. You know, it was fun being stock. I mean, even now I'm still stock because it's just lowering springs and a sway bar. But yeah, it's a great car. $53,000 though. I think only a true enthusiast would see the value in it. But even then, it's still a big reach. It is an expensive car. I'm just really, really lucky and blessed to be able to be, you know, to be able to own a car like this. So yeah, shout out to everyone that's been supporting my channel. If you have any questions on the Golf R, just put it in the comments and I'll try to answer it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.